एप्लीकेशन डन, इंटरव्यू डन, बट वाइब चेक वो बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि देखिए नौकरी लगने के बाद काम कहाँ करेंगे, लोगों के साथ चिल कहाँ करेंगे, और हाँ चाय और कॉफी कहाँ मिलेगी, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। ये सब और बहुत कुछ और पता लगाने हम आ चुके हैं द BLR 37 इन बेंगलुरु, विच इज Amazon इंडियाज लेटेस्ट न्यू ऑफिस। पहली बार मैं गेट क्रैश कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि गेस्ट हैं दीप्ति वर्मा जी, हु इज PXT हेड। क्या होता है ये PXT? So many amenities that it feels like a resort. ये क्या सुविधाएं अवेलेबल हैं, ये सब आपको वीडियो में बताएंगे। तो आइए पता लगाते हैं उनसे क्या नया है यहाँ पर। एंड Amazonians watching this, drop in the comments right now. Come. Hi Deepti, good morning.
Hey, welcome,
How are you?
welcome.
Say hi to your users.
Hello everyone.
और सबसे पहले ये बता दो, what is PXT?
Oh, PXT is People Experience and Technology. Basically, we use technology to improve the experience of people.
Ah.
So in a lot of companies, it's called HR.
हाँ, हमें भी अपने HR को ऐसे बुलाना है cool तरीके से।
Welcome.
Thank you so
to
much.
The Asia's second largest Amazon campus.
And you're 15 kilometers away from the Bangalore airport, which is a blessing for me.
Yes, absolutely.
I'm sure people who are Amazonians watching this will also say that. So let us know in the comments how much you're liking being so close to the airport.
Excellent. Come, we'll show you around.
Wait, I'm seeing this cool thing over there.
Oh yes, let's go and understand what day one is all about. So this, when Jeff Bezos started his company, he didn't have too many tables.
Oh.
So he used a door to become a desk, and it's called door desk.
ये दरवाजा था?
ये दरवाजा था. And what happened was that since then we started having this like a concept that you should have frugality and try to use our resources in the best possible way. So when Amit Agarwal came to actually start India, he got his door desk along.
What a wow.
And now we've actually put it here to help people understand that this is our day one spirit, that we use our resources very well. And that's what you would see in this building,
Yeah.
that there has been so much of material that we had, we reused the material, which is in, process of us having 2040 goal of being absolutely zero carbon footprint organization.
Congratulations, that's a good one.
Yeah.
But how many people can you fit in? And like,
Yeah.
give me stats.
Okay, so we have 12 floors here.
Yes.
And it can seat around 7,000 odd people. Our cafeteria itself can have around 2,500 people at one given point of time.
Oh,
and it has
wow.
got so many cuisines.
There's too many cool things for us to view. So please keep watching this video till the end and subscribe to Mashable India if you haven't.
Did you notice something about the lift? So you would be able to hear the lift number. And
Yes.
this has been specifically designed for people with disability so that people feel accessibility across.
I think that's very important in today's day and age, no?
I totally agree, and quite a lot of people actually focus only on physical disabilities.
Hanji.
But in Amazon, we felt that even if a person is going through cognitive disability and they need some quiet spaces, so you'll see all these phone booths and other places which have been designed for people who want some quiet spaces.
I mean, for me as a person who's getting a free induction into the office today with a PXT human, I would like to experience all of these. So this is absolutely quiet.
Quiet, yeah. This is a quiet space. You can sit and you can collaborate here. So if you want only one person to be sitting, you also can have a phone booth for only one person and work. So as you can see that there is a very quiet place for you to interact, and of course there are these one-seaters also apart from these two-seaters.
For just yourself.
For just yourself, because not everybody has cabin, but there are times you're having a conversation which is little private. Agile working does not mean that you need to have a dedicated cabin, but you have these spaces that you could utilize.
So cool. Come, let's go. Wait, can I test the single booth by myself?
Oh yes, please come. You will feel it. It's pretty cool. Here is our phone booth, specially designed for people who have to have conferences across.
And that's all
That
motion
you-
censored?
Yes, and you can see that you can do video call here, and you can plug in, play, and you can do whatever you feel like.
I mean, can I start using this as my creator space to record some content?
No, I don't think so. You can do that, but you can come and move around here. And
Sorry,
you
I'm
can-
just going to play with this. This is superb.
Yeah, this is great. You can actually, use all this, and as you would have seen when you are shooting, there are different lights. You can use
Yes.
the different light to what suits you.
Perfect. Sorry, मैं कीड़ा कांडी करने लग जाता हूँ.
I want to show you something very interesting here.
आइए.
We have quite a lot of board games here, which is there. So if people during
Full show off. Full show off.
No, no.
ये मतलब ऐसे बोल रही हैं कि आप बहुत काम करो फिर बहुत ज्यादा आके बोर्ड गेम्स खेल लो.
नहीं बहुत ज्यादा नहीं, but अगर आप खेलना चाहो तो आप खेल सकते हो. Let me show off little more.
Of course.
That it is
Flex.
not it is not just these board games. We have a pickleball court here. We have a basketball court here, and we also have balconies where people can actually sit, chat. You know, quite a lot more. You know, one of the things that really fascinated me about, you know, these offices was that irrespective of which geography you go to, the standard of office is same. So if you go and see the office in Seattle and the way the office in India is set up or Bangalore is set up, it's same.
Hey, fun fact, folks, because you're watching Mashable and this is like some geeks show up very often. I did not know this. So Amazon has very similar looking internal offices. So there is perceptual constancy.
Yes.
आप वहाँ जाओगे और आपको सेम सा ही फील होगा.
Yeah. So the concept is that our culture is same across wherever you go, and we want that culture to be same across. I don't know if you know this fact. We've already invested around 40 billion in India.
What are you saying?
And we have another 35 billion that we are going to invest in India soon.
Thank you. I mean, that's really appreciated.
Yeah.
क्या देख रही हो आजकल आप प्राइम पे?
There are so many. If I'm going to say the name of one serial, the other person will feel
But
bad.
which is your absolute like all time?
No, I'm not going to tell
No.
you that because my Prime Video team will feel very bad.
Like
that
Panchayat is a standard? No.
Mirzapur is also good.
मिर्जापुर तो फिल्म आ रही है देखिए.
Family Man is also
Family Man
good.
भी अच्छा है.
And there are so many such things that I can talk to you about. But if I tell you about one thing versus other,
The Prime Video team will not be
I
happy.
want to show you this. You know, this
What
is
is this?
our wall. How, you know, Amazon actually evolved, and I'm so happy that you actually stood here. So this is when we started in 2003. At that time,
Oh,
Amit
wow.
Agarwal actually used to sit on the floor and do coding. We didn't even have chairs.
Nahi.
So from there to this place is
What?
remarkable.
That's like goosebumps. I actually have goosebumps. That's
Yeah.
crazy.
And then we had our first developmental center in Chennai, Hyderabad.
क्या बात है?
2011, not just web services started, I also joined Amazon. They
Yeah.
haven't put that there.
We should just scribble it like away. I'm sorry,
No,
we
I'm
can't. We
just
can't.
I will tell you one secret which I haven't told others.
Anji.
So when we actually interview people, we ask them this question: have you failed and what have you learned? Because we want people that who would have actually failed and then bounced back and learned something, instead of people who say, oh, I have never failed. That means you haven't taken risks.
Guys, यही टिप आप देखने आए थे गेट क्रैशेस फॉर रियल. ये मिल गई. अब आप लिख के लाना. If you made it to the first many rounds that Amazon resumes passed through.
You know, it's not so simple to fool
To
around.
even get till that day when they will ask you that failure
Yeah.
क्या question वाला part.
Yeah.
Thank you. खाने का जो whiff आया है, जो महक आई है. आहा. So we have multiple places to eat over here. It's like a food court. आपके पास यहाँ दुकान है.
दुकान नहीं है.
दुकान कैसे है ऑफिस के अंदर?
But people can buy whatever they want to.
देखिए मेरा बहुत बड़ा सवाल है फूड और कल्चर के साथ.
Yeah.
Is there a correlation?
Absolutely.
है ना?
हाँ बिल्कुल. जब तक पेट पूजा नहीं होती तो फिर काम कैसे होएगा?
बट ये क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पर? एवरीथिंग इज सो चीप.
So this is the North Indian place, and that one where you see the leaf.
Yes.
Banana leaf. That's the South Indian.
Oh, that's the
cuisine.
banana leaf. Like the restaurant is here.
Yeah, that's
Oh.
there. Yeah, and you
But
have.
the rates are subsidized. आप लोग पैसा भर रहे हो क्या हमारे लिए? I'm genuinely asking you this. Is it how are the costs so नीचे below?
No, so it is kind of subsidized for
Very
for the employees, but yeah. And then if people get their own food, they can also microwave it and eat it and feel happy about it.
Oh, so BYOM is not. It's BYOM. It's bring your own meal. मैं बोला BYOM किसी कैफे का नाम हो सकता है देखिए.
But it's great that you have been able to get what was the full
acronym.
form,
Yes, of course.
yes.
मुझे यही करना था. मैं एक्चुअली ये गेट क्रैश करने सिर्फ इस फ्लोर के लिए आया था.
This is, if you would like to order something, you can order directly from here. So let's understand if we could do anything that you would love from here.
Wow.
lemon iced tea, sugar free.
गाइस यहाँ मलेशियन टारो बोबा है और अभी थोड़ी देर पहले कोको माचा गया,
Peach iced tea, sugar free.
सार्डो, अक्खा सार्डो है बॉस, अक्खा सार्डो मिल रहा है आपको.
Thai boba tea if you want.
This is actually, I'm sorry but this is damn cool, huh? Full FOMO feels.
Yeah, no, don't worry about it. And then you have the UPI payment, and you can actually use the Amazon
Pay.
Pay
Perfect.
and pay.
सब जगह अपना ये लोग प्लग करते हैं, बहुत इंटेलिजेंट, वेरी क्लेवर.
Excellent.
Let's just grab our coffee and head outdoors because I'm sure there is a lot to talk about there
Yes,
than
absolutely.
hang just indoors.
Yeah. ये जो आप देख रहे हैं ये है पिकल बॉल एंड बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट.
बट ये क्या खुरदुरे पत्थर यहाँ पर?
Oh, this is for acupressure. So you can actually walk on that and you can have your acupressure.
Oh, this is very good.
Yeah.
I did not expect to do this today in the morning when I woke up, to be filming with you while doing gate crashes of the Amazon office.
Excellent.
There's music, yeah.
Yeah.
Very cool. Very
Okay.
cool. ये पीछे बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट में आपके जाने के बाद खेल के जाऊंगा.
हाँ बिल्कुल. और मैं आपको वहाँ पे पिकल बॉल भी दिखा के जाती हूँ.
Very cool.
हाँ.
वाह क्या बात है. Not bad. मैं तो यहीं पड़ा रहता हूँ.
You know, I think that is a personal choice, and I
Yeah.
keep telling people that, you know, a lot of times it's important that what is work-life harmony? Work-life harmony is not that there is a harmony perfectly between both work and life, but what it basically means is that when you want to make that choice that today I'm going to spend more time at home or tomorrow I'm going to spend more time at office, you have the choice to, you know, do that.
Decide.
And you have the flexibility to decide.
But क्या है? Why should anybody watching this want to come and work at Amazon? What is making it truly rewarding?
If you personally ask me, I feel that the work that we do here is something where we are able to innovate on behalf of customers. And in fact, some of the work that we've done is actually been emulated by countries across the globe. So people get to work with smart people. People get to make decisions on behalf of the customer. No one tells you, go ahead and do this.
Yeah.
You know, you're a very independent person and you're allowed to make decisions on behalf of the customer on your own. And, you know, the best thing about Amazon is that you get to think big, because whatever you would have thought about, the customer base here is 10x of that. So you get to think big.
ये क्या है?
ये है हमारा amphitheater, and you know, it can have a gathering up till 250 people. So you can see that that's the place where you can have the central stage,
बहुत
and all
सुंदर.
the people can sit here, and it's a way in which we can again collaborate.
One last question, because now I'm so excited about talking to like a superwoman of her own kind. How can a woman stand her ground and get to the top?
I'm not a superwoman, just a
Please.
woman next door.
आप हैं एकदम.
You know, I feel that if you are feeling good about what you're doing, designations and tags are only for the external world. It's about you feeling empowered to make the decision. Even if you start your career and you feel empowered and you feel happy to do what you're doing,
That's
that's
perfect.
what success is all about.
Thank you so much for talking to us. This is a one of a kind Mashable Gate Crashes special. This is the beautiful new Amazon office. अगर आप लोग यहाँ काम करते हो तो प्लीज हमें बताओ कमेंट्स में. सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हो तो Mashable India को सब्सक्राइब कर लो. This is Dipti Verma. Thank you so much for talking to us,
Thank
ma'am.
you so much, Siddharth. It was such a pleasure. I could see that all the Amazonians were following you wherever you
Hey,
were
that's
going.
good. That's
Yeah.
fun. And please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.
Thank you, bye.